Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. If you're under 500 subscribers, always put the subscriber first. Always add value before asking for a subscriber. It took me a while to learn this one. I started on my channel and I see other videos, seeing other content creators, they'll start off saying everything but what the title promised, right? Always add value, then ask for the subscribers. As a matter of fact, check this out. I put this together. This is what you do not want to do, okay? Don't do this. Watch this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button and turn on those notifications. Before I get into the content, check out our merchandise. Don't do that. Do not do that, okay? And when you think about it, a lot of people on YouTube, they're not really thinking about subscribe. They're really enjoying the content, right? They're into the content, they're enjoying the video that they're watching. So they're really not thinking about subscribing. And when I see content creators that ask for the subscribe right up front without even knowing me, without me even knowing them, sometimes is a turn off. If you're under 500 subscribers and you want to build your subscriber base, add value, then ask for the subscription. A lot of people, they will subscribe. They don't mind subscribing to your channel if you're adding value, doing something like that. When I first relaunched my channel, it was like I didn't really know what to do. I didn't really know what was going on. Asking for subscribers right up front, not really giving value first. So that's what I would suggest that has worked for me. Give value first. Subscribers can wait. Do that. You can raise your increase. You can increase your subscriber count and grow your channel. And you don't have to be an expert. I used to think that I had to know all the answers. No, you really don't have to know everything. You just need to be one step farther than the last person. So keep that in mind as you begin to continue to build your subscriber base. So if you are enjoying the content on my channel, you can show your appreciation with a super thanks, a super chat, cash app donation, buy a coffee, as well as other ways you could be a blessing to the channel with the links in the description. And for those of you who already do that, you are keeping the lights on here at Next Level, so I really appreciate you. And so one of the things that I noticed when I restarted my channel, when I did my relaunch, I was wondering, is it something that can still be done? I always say you're never too old to follow your dreams and you're never too late to do the right thing. So a lot of people wonder, is it too late? Is it oversaturated? I want you to enjoy this video right here coming up on the screen, my top 5 reasons to be a content creator. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. Check that out. Enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. You are the life of the channel. Hit the like button, share this on your way out, subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.